From powerful buffalo ranches to one of the largest integrated factories, this is where buffalo hides become luxury leather and tallow helps create premium soap. Through expert tanning, precision soap making, and luxurious finishing, buffalo resources are transformed into high-end leather and soap loved worldwide. The journey begins on sprawling buffalo ranches where strong hides and rich milk are sourced for luxury products. Only the finest buffaloes are selected for their superior leather and tallow. Fresh buffalo hides are harvested with precision to maintain their premium quality.
Salting preserves the hides, preparing them for the long journey to the factory.
Preserved hides are transported to the world's largest integrated buffalo factory. Raw buffalo hides enter the facility for luxury leather and soap production. Hides are soaked to restore moisture before chemical processing begins. Liming prepares the hides for clean and supple luxury leather. Hair is completely removed, revealing the beautiful grain of buffalo leather. Excess tissue is stripped away for clean and uniform leather. Hides are split to perfect thickness for both leather and soap making. Fibers are opened to ensure deep penetration of tanning agents. Pickling stabilizes the collagen before the main tanning stage.
Every hide is rigorously checked to meet luxury standards.
Hides enter the tanning drums where they begin their transformation into luxury leather. Special solutions penetrate the hides to create durable and supple leather. Hours of controlled rotation ensure even and strong tanning. The pH is carefully raised to lock in the tanning agents. The raw hide has now become genuine tanned buffalo leather. Excess moisture is removed to prepare the leather for further processing. The leather is shaved to the exact thickness needed for luxury jackets. Natural tannins enhance the leather's softness and richness. Beautiful colors are infused to create premium leather shades. Oils nourish the fibers, giving the leather its luxurious feel. The leather is stretched and set for a flawless surface. Controlled drying ensures the leather is ready for finishing. The leather gains its natural softness and flexibility. The surface is prepared for its final luxurious finish. The raw buffalo hide has now become premium material for luxury products. Expert hands sort the leather for the finest luxury jacket production. Advanced patterns are marked for crafting perfect jacket panels. Laser precision cuts each piece for luxury leather jackets. Small detailed parts are stamped for complete jacket assembly. Edges are thinned to allow flawless stitching in the jackets. All components are sorted for efficient jacket assembly. Panels are aligned perfectly before stitching begins. Strong seams are stitched to ensure durability and elegance. High-quality zippers are inserted for smooth functionality. Luxurious linings are attached inside each jacket. Collars and cuffs are carefully assembled for a premium look. Buttons and buttonholes complete the classic jacket design. Each jacket is cleaned to perfection before final inspection. The rich buffalo leather is now taking the shape of premium luxury jackets. Edges are finished with precision for a flawless appearance. Metal hardware is securely attached to complete the design. Luxurious padding is added for comfort and style. Advanced cameras check every jacket for perfection. Any imperfections are carefully corrected. Jackets are pressed to achieve their final elegant shape. Brand labels are attached to signify luxury quality. Each jacket receives a final cleaning touch. Jackets are sorted by size and color for efficient packing. Pallets are tightly wrapped for secure transport. Final covers protect the luxury products. Each pallet is labeled for accurate global delivery. Pallets move efficiently to the warehouse. Luxury jackets are stored under perfect conditions. Advanced systems track every single jacket. Orders are prepared for premium stores worldwide. Jackets are loaded for safe worldwide delivery. Trucks are sealed under strict security. The luxury products begin their journey to customers. Luxury jackets arrive at exclusive stores. The jackets are beautifully displayed for customers. This is the final luxurious result of the entire process. The finished luxury jackets are stored safely before distribution. Advanced systems track each jacket's location. Orders are prepared for the world's best stores. Jackets are shipped to international luxury markets. Luxury jackets travel to fashion capitals worldwide. The products reach global distribution hubs. Luxury jackets arrive at exclusive boutiques. The jackets are showcased beautifully for customers. Shoppers experience the luxurious feel of buffalo leather. These jackets become cherished gifts and wardrobe staples. Luxury buffalo leather jackets are worn by discerning customers worldwide. This industry supports craftsmanship and economic growth. These jackets are admired across the globe for their quality. From buffalo ranch to luxury wardrobe, this is the complete journey of premium buffalo leather.